Hi Draw-So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a broken body and a ghost from Among Us. So let's get started. To draw a crewmate that has expired, let's first start by drawing the bone that's sticking out of the body. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a soft curve. And I'm just going to bring this down for the bone, round it off to create this kind of U at an angle. From there, I'm going to come right here and draw a big socket. So it's just a big curve, much bigger. And then right here, I'll draw another one, smaller one for the other bone, for the other side, I mean the socket. Then from there, I'm going to come about right here and I'm going to draw an oval around it. So just come about right here and we're just going to draw a big oval around this bone and come right back. And then we're just going to thicken it, so come right about here and just follow the curve you just made all the way back. There. Okay, so then from there we're going to come out about right here and we're just going to draw and come to about right here, and I'm just going to draw a soft curve that comes around and we're going to bring it right back in to this point I just made. And then right here I'm going to pop out another curve and tuck it right inside. And that is it. That is pretty much it for this broken body from Among Us. And then now to draw the ghost that appears from it. To draw this ghost, let's first start by drawing a curve for the helmet visor area. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve that comes down. And I'm going to go right across. So we're just kind of aiming to draw this weird ovalish rock kind of shape. So we're going to come out and then round it off, come back in. And then right here, I'm just going to straighten it out a tiny bit and then round it off and connect it. There. Something like that. Okay, so now that we have this part in, now we can start to draw the body of our ghost. So let's come out from this visor area. I'm going to come out, say about this much. Give myself a point, and I'm basically going to go around this visor and come right back to about right here. So I'm going to go up a curve and come right back down and about right there. And so I'm going to imagine this coming through and about right here, it's going to pop right back out and out. So then this part right here, I'm going to bring it down and I'm not going to go too straight. I'm still want it nice and soft. So just a nice curve down and same thing right here. So this is basically just like a normal Among Us character, right? The only difference is the bottom part that we're going to start to draw right now. So let's come right here. Pretty even now. And about right there, I'm going to start to come out. So about come out, give a little tail for our ghost, and we're going to go ahead and connect it. So it's wobble, curve, and another curve and connect. There. Okay, so we have our ghost, and of course we still have to have the pack. So let's come about right here, this visor area in the center, come out, soft curve, and we're just going to tuck this pack right in the back and just bring it right in. And that is pretty much it for the ghost from Among Us. So now I'm just going to go ahead and color it. And I'm using just your basic Crayola markers and some color pencils to bring the colors and shadows and highlights to life. So they're all done. I really hope I helped you draw and color this ghost from Among Us. And whatever color you decide to color the ghost, just try to get a darker version for the shadow area. And that's why I'm using these color pencils, because it's just a little bit easier to find the right colors. And if you run into all these streaks when you're coloring with a marker, you can always go in there with color pencil to try to soften up those streaks. So hopefully those tips helped you and you had fun, and it was easy, like I said, to draw this ghost with me. Thank you so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.